Hey my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I just received my July monthly subscription from Oso Paper. So if you want to check out all the goodies that came in the inside, then make sure you stick around. So the July theme for this month's subscription is all about the yacht life, and what all comes in the inside of this subscription is going to be a 10-page sticker book, which is this bad baby right here. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. So yeah, this is the Yacht Life sticker book. It is a 10-page sticker book, and it comes with 187 stickers, but we're gonna do a flip through of this later, but I just wanted to share that with you. Also, we are going to check out the sticker of the month. We're also going to get a magnet, a postcard, and a mystery item. So I'm really excited about that. So let's dive right in. So here we have our sticker of the month. It is July 2021. It says Oso Paper Yacht Life. Look at these dolls, y'all. So cute. I am so here for this. This made me want to plan a vacation. Next, we're going to get the matching, this is a magnet. You can actually place this on your planner card if you have one, or somewhere where it can kind of stick to it. But you guys, y'all know I am a huge collector of these magnets, and I'm going to possibly share my collection with you guys really soon. So if you want to see a collection of my Oso Paper magnets, please comment down below and let me know. But I'm definitely going to add this to my collection really soon. All right, and so here is our postcard, Yacht Life. Also matches our magnet and our sticker of the month. And then we can also just share this as some cute happy mail that says, "Hello Sunshine." Write a cute little message and mail it to one of our planner friends or family members. But I think it's just super cute. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. Ooh. Okay, so this has to be the mystery item, y'all. Oh my goodness, I was not prepared for this. This is a luggage tag, and you guys, I am so here for this. So here. Do y'all see this? It comes with a cute little tag holder here. Look at this. I cannot wait to add this to my luggage, y'all. This is so on time. And then you get your little, put your name, your address, and phone number just in case your luggage gets lost. Because that tends to happen sometimes. But this is so cute. I want to see. Okay, I thought maybe it had like a little design on here, but it doesn't. So it's just plain on the back. Really cute. I'm so loving this. Yes, I'm definitely going to add this to my luggage ASAP. Now this is making me want to plan a vacation already. So this is the mystery item because that was not listed on the what's inside item. So I'm assuming this is the mystery item, but super cute. All right, so as you can see, I have 2 extra items, right? So I was not expecting this, so we're gonna check this out. So this is, looks like it says to be kind to yourself. Looks like a notepad, so I'm gonna open it up and just make sure it is a notepad, but I believe it is because it just looks like a notepad. But this would be really great to make some lists, especially if we go on vacation. And we need something to write down all of our items that we need to take, right? So this would be super cool to have without me picking this up. Yeah, so it is a notepad. It doesn't, so it's not a sticky notepad. That's what I was actually checking for, to see if it was like a sticky notepad, but it's not. So yeah, so we got notepad that says "Be kind to yourself" with the beautiful Yacht Life dolls on here, Menonista dolls. Super cute. I'm here for it. I love it. So this was a good surprise. So okay, so this says, "Oops, this product didn't pass our high quality standards. We are including it as an oops freebie as we ordered a lot of them. This item has been replaced by the notepad in your package." But they still gave me the notepad. So I mean, hey, I'm here for the extras. So thank you, Danielle, for the freebie. I'm here for it. And I am a lover of oops because it's just awesome. I love it. So this is the notepad here. It says Oso Paper Yacht Life Sticky Note Set. So you get some sticky notes here. This is also sticky notes. These are like sticky note flags here with the anchor. And then we get some more sticky notes at the bottom. So it could have been that it was either maybe cut. I don't know if you can tell, but just like little things like that, maybe just sticking off on the edge, and maybe cut too short at the bottom, maybe cutting some things off. But I don't see like any imperfections to me, but I just know as a business owner, you can kind of see what your vision is and if it meets your standards. So thank you so much. I'm gonna definitely keep this on my desk because this is so perfect. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into this sticker book flip through. So I'm gonna also do a flip through as well and put this on my Instagram page as a flip through for those who are not following me here on YouTube, just so that they can kind of get a chance to see all of my, or most of my collection. So here is the Yacht Life sticker book, 187 pieces, and we're going to flip through 10 pages of this. So we're going to start off with Menonista dolls here. So cute. We have Rochelle and Deborah. Next we have Mahogany. I am loving her outfit. Mahogany and Dawn. And then we have a Relax and Refresh quote sticker there. Then we have Shannon and Elena. And then we have a quote sticker that says, "The ocean is calling." Loving Miss Shannon and Elena, or Alana. And then we have some full boxes, decorative boxes here. So here for these, y'all. Do y'all see that? And then we have some today and to do stickers at the bottom. And then some colorful boxes here. Great functional sticker boxes here. So we get each of the Menonista dolls in here. All right, and then we get some washi strip stickers here, along with some flag stickers and then some arrow icon stickers. All right, so this page is actually like clear sticker or transparent, like a see-through backing on this. So this is not paperback, but it has relax, note to self, payday, bill due, good vibes, happen on the tides, let the sea set you free, and let your dreams set sail. And then I like how here she has the cute little wacky holidays, because I do keep up like with wacky holidays, y'all, in my planner. So we have August 1st is actually Friendship Day. Then she has Friday the 13th, and then Honeybee Awareness Day is August 21st. Ooh, and then we get some more decorative stickers to add. These are so cute. Oh yes. All right, and then we get some more of these stickers here. Some icon stickers, and then we get the Yacht Life dolls, Menonista dolls, y'all. They are so cute. Oh, all right, we're just about done. And then we get some more functional stickers here. With almost like it looks like the notepad almost. So I do like that. And then we get some more header stickers here, and then some more little decorative stickers at the bottom. So yeah, that was a flip through of the July 2021 Yacht Life sticker book by Oso Paper. We also checked out the magnets. Please don't forget to comment down below if you want to see my collection and see all of the magnets that I have. I believe this could be magnet number 15. I'm not for sure. But I'm thinking about going ahead and sharing with you guys, just doing like a quick video and sharing with you guys all of my Oso Paper magnets. Then we have the sticker of the month. We have our postcard. Yes, this is so cute. I want to frame this. And then we have a notepad that was a surprise. Could be also a freebie because that was not listed in here. And then we have a oops item that was included because of the notepad. But she also included that. So that was super awesome. So we have the notepad set, and then I cannot leave out this beautiful luggage tag that says, or that is the Yacht Life, just ready to set sail or take a flight somewhere. I'm just ready, y'all, for vacation, period. So I hope you guys enjoyed my July monthly subscription box from Oso Paper. You guys know I love to share this with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will also put information down of Also Paper if you want to either sign up for her subscription so you don't miss out, and put that down below in my description box, so make sure you check that out. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.